In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing your Google Calendar. This process is straightforward, allowing you to have better control over who has access to your scheduling information. Whether you've previously shared your calendar by making it public or by inviting specific people, this guide will ensure you know how to unshare it promptly. To begin, we're going to navigate to Google Calendar. Open your web browser and head over to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of your calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to stop sharing. Directly to the right of this calendar, you'll notice three vertical dots. These dots are a hidden gem. They open up additional options when clicked. Go ahead and click those three dots. A menu will appear, and from this menu, choose the option that says Settings and Sharing. Now we're diving into the nitty-gritty details of your calendar settings. In this area, you are presented with several sections that control various sharing options. The first section we want to focus on is the access permissions for events. Here you might see an option labeled Make Available to Public. If this box is checked, your calendar could be visible to anyone, which isn't ideal if you're aiming for privacy. Simply uncheck this box. Indeed, this straightforward step will ensure your calendar is no longer public and stops any unintentional sharing with the wider world. Next, scroll down to find the Shared With section. This area lists individuals who have direct access to your calendar. If there are any specific persons you wish to remove access from, here's what you do. Look for an X next to each person's name or their email address. By clicking on this X, you'll successfully revoke their access, meaning they will no longer see any events on that calendar. This is your opportunity to refine exactly who gets to see your schedule. Whether it was a temporary share for a team project or something you did by accident, getting rid of those unwanted shares is vital for keeping your calendar private and secure. By following these simple steps, you've now taken control of your Google Calendar sharing settings. Remember, managing who sees your calendar can prevent any miscommunications and maintain your privacy. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your digital calendar confidently. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.